this is what I call the bird room. It's where I have Milo, and then on and off intervals of Puff, and this is like all the stuff sitting out. But this is Puff's original cage. It's a bigger cage that she came in. But I figure while they're sitting in here, they should be in a bigger cage. So Milo spends most of his time in here. So I got this up here for him, and he just loves it. Got another rope that I just recently put in. Another rope. There's a branch in the back with water. There's pellets down here underneath this. And he's currently working on that box. And that's all we have. We got the one toy back behind that rope. As I said, I'm kind of bare bones in for a couple days just to see what they like.